Say get the pago, get the pago, get the Pokemon, get the pago. Hey you guys, so look, we gonna try out this wig. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we gonna see. So y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I'm sick and tired of buying $500 wigs. Well, $400 to $500 wigs. I really am. So I'm coming to y'all with a upart wig. I got this wig from Wigsgal. I have worked with them in the past. Oh, I just told y'all that. But yeah, so it comes with 2 combs on the side and also a comb in the back with also a adjustable strap. You guys already know this. Every wig comes with this. This is very standard. But I'm very happy that they decided to insert 2 combs right here because let me tell you something. The last wig did not have 2 combs and I was struggling, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blow dry my hair. I'm going to flat iron my leave out for this wig. The thing is, y'all, I have not flat ironed my hair since, y'all, I want to say it's been years. Like, I don't remember ever flat ironing my hair. I think it's been like about over 4 years now. So we'll see how that turns out. But I'm going to play my music. And I got my little corner of wine. It's about to be done. I'm going to refill my wine, play my music, and then we can go through this together, okay? So y'all, so I don't know if y'all want me to talk through this or if you guys want me to play music, but in today's video I'm gonna do both. So what I did first was I tried on the wig because I wanted to make sure I took out the adequate amount of hair for my part, okay? I'm doing a little bit of leave out. I haven't flat ironed my hair in, I think the last time I put a flat iron to my hair was the middle of 2015 or 2014, one of those. Yeah, I really don't remember when I did the big chop. So you guys are gonna see me flat iron a little bit of hair, and I try to take out a little bit of hair because I was like, if I burn my hair, bitch, it's gonna be bad. So I took out a little bit of hair. Y'all, so I'm putting some Eco Styler on the sides because y'all know I don't know how to braid, okay? Comment down below if you do not know how to braid. Let's normalize black women not knowing how to braid, okay? Let's make it, it's normal, it's okay. Like, just push up on, don't stop it, just push up on, don't stop it, just push up on it. Cause I'm feeling the hook, don't stop it, just push up on, don't stop it, just push up on, don't stop it, just push up on it. Cause I'm feeling the hook right now, I'm not stopping. Y'all, so what I'm doing next is I'm going in with my blow dryer. Just gonna blow dry my part real quick. It's not even gonna take long. It took like maybe 2 minutes. Now, y'all, I'm gonna go in and flat iron this wig that they sent me, y'all. Let me tell you, I used the Baby Bliss. What flat iron is that? I used the Baby Bliss Titanium Pro. I believe that's what the flat iron is called. It's blue. It's kind of expensive and it goes up to $450. I don't know why this flat iron is so good. I don't know why it's so lit, but it gets the job done. And while I was flat ironing the wig, I was very nervous because while it was smoking, I'm like, girl, if I put this shit on my head, like, is it gonna fry my hair? But I was like, you know what? I haven't done it in so long. Like, what's the worst that can happen? So Y'all will see that part.
When I done they call me half page and Prime Minister, see what him shake up man and Rihanna should give me a shim and forget Chris Brown and all that all one. Not Junior big like so much Max Bobby can doesn't matter. We not change, we not change, we not changing at all. We not change, we not changing at all. We not change, we not changing at all. We not change, we not changing at all.
Don't matter what people say, ain't nothing can spoil my day. I come out to enjoy myself, so bad mind get out the way. Nothing can stop me. Today will be a great day. Nothing can stop me. But I come in out to break way. Nothing can stop me. Today will be a great day. Nothing can stop me. When we liming, don't call my phone. I will not answer you. Cause I'll be getting on a gal whining low. On a gal whining low. I'm feeling so nice. I'm moving with me hands up. This party going non-stop. I'm feeling the vibes. I leave me house to break way. Today will be a great day. Nothing can handle me. I come to walk non-stop when the rhythm drop. Nothing can handle me. I come to walk non-stop when the rhythm drop. Nothing can handle me. I come to walk non-stop when the rhythm drop. Nothing can handle me. I come to walk non-stop. Coming up here again, yeah. You're not moving your waist by chance, no. It's the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm. I bring music to make you dance, yes. Don't refuse it. It's like walking footsteps. It's natural, yeah. Like a baby crying for the first time. Like Anya with her first design. Best I did bring some bricks and a load of sand and build up my house on this land. Cause inside this fed is my home. This fed is my home. My bills is done paid. Inspector leave me alone. This fed is my home. This fed is my home. My mortgage done paid. So come and shop in my house if you want. Get on bad in here if you want. You could hook up your foot on couch if you want. Cause me casa is su casa. Come let me chat is so bad. Doing it, overdoing it. Doing it, overdoing it. Now the last thing that I know for sure is I couldn't stand up anymore. So I take a sit down on the floor now. I don't know how I go feel in the morning. So I'm giving you a little warning. I don't know if I can work in the morning. And I know the boss gonna be calling. But I might out to myself. Cause I just can't cool myself. So I just might lose myself. So don't get confused. Man, I'm overdoing it. I overdoing it. Even when I'm doing it. Don't tell me I overdoing it. What could happen after? I really don't know. I'm prepping for disaster. Don't care if I remember. Whoa, whoa. And I have no behavior. Whining on people's daughter. Whoa, whoa. I don't know how I go feel in the morning. So I'm giving you a little warning. I don't know if I can work in the morning.
So y'all see these two little tabs? All you gotta do is cut them, okay? When I first received my first upart wig, I was like, what is this? Like, what do I do with this? But yeah, you just cut them, okay? Don't even be worried. I am very happy that they sent me a upart wig that had two clips in the front, because the last wig was very baggy. Like, I didn't have no glue to glue it down. It was just a hot ass mess. So yeah, I got the two clips that y'all are gonna see, so y'all can, like, you know, secure your wig.
Nothing wrong with this young girl. All you know that I have children, but at the same time, just like this young girl. In my days of cutting, this young girl wasn't even walking, but no crazy fine wife and living nice life. The young girl calling me and telling me that she crazy over the crazy. She remember me from in a party, and it's long time that she.
So what I did at first, right, is I wanted to part it to see, like, okay, is this gonna look decent? Is it gonna look all right? And I like the way it looked like this. Like, I noticed that it was gonna look nice. So I'm like, okay, you could do this. Just, I don't know. I'm really making this a big deal because I don't Like, I heard about heat damage and all that. And I'm like, God, please. But so far, it looks really good. Like, it really, really, really look good. Look at my lashes, y'all. Yep, those are the lashes I used to sell. Just wait till I get to the USA of America. Y'all, oh my God, my heart is beating so fast. Y'all. Oh my God. Y'all, it's about to happen. Y'all, I'm so nervous, bitch. I told myself I was only gonna do 2 passes, so if it didn't match with 2 passes, sorry, Wigsgal, because I was not gonna do it again. Like, I was so nervous. One more time. I was so surprised that it matched. Like, Wigsgal. Look at my face, y'all. I'm like, hold on, it matched. Y'all see? What y'all think I mumbled? Comment down below what you think I mumbled.
I get a phone call, a fella calling me. I thought I was she man, so tell me who is he? I know we can't go out, I all alone in doubt. Please tell me how much lies really come out she mouth.
She has been looking for me.
I was happy with my life. No fight, no stress, or no strife. Then I end up with the next man wife. I end up with the next man wife.
Check. If you can't see the front of the stage from the back of the crowd, climb up on something. Climb up on something. Ladies! Climb up on a man, every girl climb up on a man, every girl climb up on a man, stretch for the ceiling, climb on a man, hey girl climb up on a man, every girl climb up on a man, every girl climb up on a man, stretch for the ceiling, climb on a man, watch it, put 1 foot over, every girl climb on a man's shoulder, put 1 foot over, every girl climb on a man's shoulder, put 1 foot over, every girl climb on a man's shoulder, put 1 foot over, every girl climb on a man's shoulder, watch it, spread your arms and balance on it, show me your palms and balance on it. Wind your waist and balance on it. Counterweight and balance on it. Mash it down and balance on it. Spin it round and balance on it. If you can't see the front of the stage from the back of the crowd, then get off the ground. Climb it. Climb it. Climb it. Get off the ground and up in the air. 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 Well, everybody put your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up. Well, everybody put your hands up.
Soca Brainwash, the festival of love, unity, and soca. Valentine's Day
Baby, you're
2015
coming
in
over.
Trinidad.
Yeah. I'm in the mood today. For you and me, girl, ready up. Let me ready up now. Don't ever feel like I forget ya or I neglect ya. Girl, you're always on my mind. Don't ever feel like I reject ya. Baby, I respect ya.